If I were to describe the H135 in 3 words, it would be automated, nimble, and safe.
My favorite thing about flying the H135 is its exceptional design that meets the demand of our mission every time.
My favorite thing about operating the H135 is the combined safety technology that allows for safe IFR capabilities, the spacious cabin that allows our crews to deliver high-quality care in the transport environment.
It's fast, it's safe, and it's reliable.
We make it fly.
We make it fly.
We make it fly.
We make it fly.
We make it fly.